Hello and welcome to science class with teacher Zach. Hello students. Today we will think about the life cycle of a frog. Animals grow. Animals grow. A life cycle is made of changes that an animal has in its life. Changes. First, a baby grows into mature. When a mature animal has babies, we say reproduce. Reproduce. R-E-P-R-O. Repro. Deuce. D-U-C-E. Reproduce. These are mature cats, also called adult. These are baby cats, also called young. Look like. They look the same. Do the babies look like the mature animals? Yes or no? No. The babies do not look like the mature animals. So, today we will talk about the life cycle of a frog. The life cycle of a frog. Whoa. Whoops. Okay, so number 1 for the life cycle of a frog. Eggs. Same as butterfly. The step 1 of the life cycle of a frog is eggs. Male or female? Male. Male or female? Female. Again, female. Number 1, eggs. The male or female? Female frog. The female frog eggs in water. We say lays eggs. Okay, the female frog lays eggs in water. Step 1. Step 2. Tadpole. Can you say tadpole? All right. So, step 2 is tadpole. A tadpole from an egg. That word is hatches. Okay, let's say together. A tadpole hatches from an egg. All right. So, a tadpole is in an egg, and it hatches. Again, a tadpole hatches from an egg. A tadpole hatches from an egg. Step 2. What is this? Breathe. Breathe. What are these? Lungs. Lungs. Gills. Gills. Remember, up or down? Up. We say above water. Okay, above water. Breathes with lungs, like you and me. Breathes with lungs. Under water. Under water. Breathes with gills. So, above water breathes with lungs, and underwater breathes with gills. Where does a tadpole live? Where? You deny. Above water or we see a tadpole lives underwater. So, lungs or gills? A tadpole breathes with its gills. Good. So again, a tadpole breathes with its gills. Good. Step 3. Tadpole. So, still tadpole, but what do you see? With hind legs. So let's say together. With hind legs. So a tadpole with hind legs. All right. The tadpole grows hind legs. What is hind? So, let's look. These are hind legs. Back legs. So, hind legs. Again, hind legs. They're the back legs. Hind legs. Step 4. This is called a froglet. So, frog, we can spell, right? F-R-O-G. Frog. Let. L-E-T. Froglet. Okay. These legs are H-I-N-D, hind legs. But let's look. What do you see? The froglet has, we say, front legs. So, front legs and hind legs. Again, front legs and hind legs. Froglet. The froglet grows hind legs? No. The froglet grows front legs. Like hands. So the froglet grows front legs. Also, what is that? It's a tail. So the tadpole has a tail, and so does the froglet. But look, the tail of the froglet gets bigger or smaller? Look, the tail gets bigger or smaller? Smaller, correct. So, the tail of the froglet gets smaller. This word in English is shrink. So let's say it together. Shrinks. Shrinks. It means gets smaller. So, all together, the tail of the froglet shrinks. Okay, the tail of the froglet shrinks. Okay. So, above water and under water. Where does a froglet live? Above water and underwater. Okay, so a froglet can breathe with its lungs. So a froglet can breathe with its lungs. Again, number 4 is froglet. Okay, all together. The froglet grows legs. Front or back? Front legs, good. The tail gets big or shrinks? Shrinks. And the froglet can breathe with its lungs. Okay, so all together, the froglet grows front legs. The tail shrinks. And the froglet can breathe with its lungs. Whew. Okay, almost finished. Step 5, the last step. Da-da-da. Adult frog. Remember, adult is mature. So adult frog. Adult frog. Above water or underwater? Above water and underwater. So the adult frog can live underwater and above water. Okay. Is the adult frog mature? Yes or no? Yes. Adult is mature. So, can mature animals have babies? Yes or no? Yes. The adult frog is mature. The adult frog is mature, and it can have babies. We call that reproduce. Reproduce. So, all together, the adult frog is mature, and it can reproduce, have babies. The adult frog. The adult frog can live underwater or above water. Now that the frog is mature, it can reproduce. Woo! Now that the frog is mature, it can reproduce, have babies. And then we're back to eggs. So, it's a full circle. The life cycle. Number 1 is eggs. 2, tadpole. Tadpole. 3, tadpole with hind legs. 4, frog, froglet. And 5, baby frog? No. Adult frog. All right. So we start with 1, which is eggs, to 2, tadpole, down to 3. A tadpole with hind legs. Hind legs. 2, 4. Froglet. Up to 5, which is adult frog. And the adult frogs reproduce and lay eggs. Now we see the cycle of the life of a frog, the life cycle. So there we have it, the life cycle of a frog. Starts small, grows legs, and gets big. It grows. Okay, thank you very much, and goodbye.